Hello, this is Dot and Doodat. Back. Okay. Now you've requested for me to try to sneeze with my eyes open and some other stuff with sneezing, and I will do just that. Let's do whatever I'm doing. First one is First one is sneezing with your eyes open. Okay. I try this. I know it works. It just might take a while. So fast forward this a second. That was just a regular sneeze. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Okay, one more time for you bros, and I'm gonna try to do it. That was a cough. Sneeze. Okay, I'm back. It's just a minor back. Okay, now just fast forward it. About this. Okay. Okay. I did that. Right. I did it. I did it, people! Okay, now, next thing. This is like just a fun fact. Now, whenever you sneeze, your heart stops. Yes, literally. And that's pretty much it. And I'm going to try to burp while sneezing. Cough, burp. Yeah, burp. Okay. Hey, what? I'm doing a video. Okay. Now, be sure to subscribe because I cannot do that burp thing. Let me try one more time.
Don't gag. Try a different trick. You sound horrible, dude. You're
Okay.
freaking me out.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe and watch my other videos and likes. Bye. Hey, and please in the commentary or the description below, write how to change your thumbnail for YouTube, because I can't do it. And this is a tablet, so you're gonna have to say it in tablet words, okay? Because this is beautiful. Bye.